Niimbot Smart Label Printer. Portable and small inkless label printer. Measures at 5.2 by 3.6 and 2.4 inches thick. Weighs in at about 0.7 pounds. Made of high quality ABS. It's compatible with PC, Android, and iOS. Has a lithium ion battery of 1500 milliamps. Charges in about 4 hours and lasts up to 5 hours of continuous use. The label printer will shut down automatically when paused for 15 minutes to save power. The app includes 1500 plus icons, 30 plus different fonts, and 100 plus frames to use. Here we have your switch to open the paper cover. The label compartment is adjustable. It fits labels from 2 inches to 1 inch. Here is where you have your label tear-off blade. Go ahead and widen the compartment. Make sure your label comes out this way. Place that in. Then close the cover. Here we have your power button. Here is your indicator light. And on the side here is your USB-C charging port. First, you want to go ahead and install and download the app. Next, we're going to go ahead and long press the power button. We're going to go in the top right hand corner here, and we're going to go ahead and try and connect. Allow. There's the printer. And now we're going to go ahead and pair. Make the font bigger. And let's bold, underline. All right, let's say we like that. We're going to go ahead and print. Just like that.